Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your name. And today we're diving into something a lot of us have struggled with: trust after heartbreak. If you've been through a painful breakup or betrayal, you know how hard it can be to trust again. But the good news? It's possible. So if you're ready, let's talk about how we can rebuild that trust, starting with ourselves. Trust is the foundation of every meaningful relationship. When it's broken, it can feel like your whole world is shattered. And the idea of opening up again, well, that's terrifying. But here's the thing, it's okay to feel that way. Rebuilding trust takes time, but it starts with one very important thing: self-trust. After heartbreak, it's easy to start doubting yourself. Did I see the signs? Should I have trusted my gut? But here's what I've learned. You can trust yourself again. Give yourself the time to heal, reflect, and reconnect with your own intuition. You've been through something hard, and it's okay to give yourself some grace. When you start trusting yourself again, it becomes easier to trust others too. Which brings me to point number 2. Healing takes time. Don't rush it. I get it, you may feel the pressure to jump back into something, or maybe you're scared you'll never trust anyone again. But it's okay to take a step back and give yourself that time. You don't have to force yourself into a new relationship or into new experiences right away. Let's be real. You can't rush your healing process, and that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Here's another big one: boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries isn't just important for the other person, it's important for you. Boundaries help you feel safe and respected, and they also allow you to slowly let down those walls when you're ready. So, if you're considering opening your heart again, remember, boundaries are your best friend. They help protect you while you're healing and figuring out who to trust. And speaking of trust, let's talk about communication. Whether you're starting a new relationship or rekindling an old one, the key is talking openly about your feelings. It's okay to express your fears, your insecurities, and your hopes for the future. You don't have to hide or pretend everything's fine. Being honest about where you're at emotionally makes it much easier to connect with someone who is genuinely understanding. Which brings us to something that might be hard to hear. Actions speak louder than words. Trust is earned through consistent, reliable actions. So if you're thinking about trusting someone again, look for patterns, not just promises. Does their behavior align with what they say? Are they reliable over time? That's how trust gets built. Rebuilding trust is hard work, but it's worth it. And remember, everyone's journey is different. Maybe you're not ready to trust yet, and that's completely okay. Take it slow. Trust yourself, trust the process, and take it one step at a time. So if you're watching this and feeling like trust might never come back, just know it can. You're not alone in this, and it's okay to take it at your own pace. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on healing, relationships, and personal growth. And hey, if you've been through this, drop a comment below and let me know how you've rebuilt trust after heartbreak. Let's support each other on this journey. Until next time, take care of yourselves.